Hello. Today we're going to talk about cleaning your vehicle's license plate. One of the things you always have to have in beginning any cleaning job are the right tools. So you want to make sure you have the appropriate screwdriver to take the plate from the car and to remove any framing or backings from the license plate, and a brush to clean the plate, and then another brush to clean any hard to reach areas or cracks and crevices behind the plate after you remove the backing. And so what we'll do now is clean the plate. The first thing you want to do is to remove any screwdrivers that are holding the plate in place. Any screws with your screwdriver. Okay. Separate it, because you also want to make sure that you clean the back of the vehicle where the plate was covering it. So take some cleaner and then clean that area. And the next thing you want to do is to clean the plate and the holder for the license plate. You want to separate it and take your all-purpose cleaner, spray it onto the frame, take your brush and gently work that cleaner in. And don't forget the back side. Spray it again. And then spray it down to remove the cleaner. Then take your microfiber towel and then dry it. And what we'll do is set this to the side and then clean our license plate. We're going to follow the same process, spraying it down with cleaner on both sides. Take a brush, brush your plate, and spray it down, removing the cleaner. And then, using your microfiber towel, wiping it down, drying it off, and removing the dirt. And then, what you're going to have is your clean license plate and also your license plate holder. I'm going to reinsert it. And then reapply it back onto your vehicle. And make sure you wipe down any excess water. And that's how you clean your vehicle's license plate.